guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah. Today, don't mind the background noise, please. Please. And today we're gonna play, I don't know actually, where, I don't know. Let's play this. Don't press don't press the button. So yeah. What are we gonna do today? Oh, think? Well, that was just crazy. Right, guys? I'm right here. What's gonna be happening? I know. I think I know, yes. You it! Don't fight me, guys. No one's fighting me, for sure. Well, that's good. They can just fight each other. I did it! I won! I never won before. I cannot finish the stage. I mean the maze. No. Guys, seriously? Should we choose? Oh, nothing. Okay, I think we're going in the right direction. That's just a block. And okay. Yeah, let's not do that one. Not that one. I don't trust it. You guys don't hear me, right? Right. So no. Alright, so that's block. I'm actually doing progress for the first time. No. Okay, go back. No. Okay. Right. No, these are blockings ends. Right. Okay, go over here. Let's go over here then. It's like a disaster. Okay, what? Okay, so right over here. No. Nope. What the? No. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, didn't make it, guys. So bad. It's okay, guys. You can do it later. What's this? Let's go 3, 2, 1, go. What? I don't get it. Maybe get all the coins. Time's up. Let's see. The button has been pressed. What? Yeah, I don't get this at all. Is there no more extraction? Oh no. That was just victory. I don't get. Okay, yes, we can press the button now. Perfect. I think I pressed it. Watch out, boulders are coming. No! Yagi! Go! No! We died, guys. We died. Press the button. Okay, get ready to push each other over the blow. No! I hate the blow dryer. Gonna be surrounded with guys. Don't care. I'm not gonna blow the blow dryer. Finally will do it. This makes me laggy. Oh, okay, I get this. Oh! I was amazing. Ah! Ah! Man! Thought I got that in the bag. Wow. Hey, we can actually get out of here. Okay, key whatever. Press the button. Thank you. They press the button. Tsunami incoming. No! No tsunami, no tsunami. No to the tsunami. Oh, that was... Ah! There's a guy right there. Oh, gee. This is actually new. I pressed it. This is actually new, okay? Oh, no, I know this one. Get out of the way, people. Kneel it. Go! Oh, it's kind of laggy, so yeah. Oh, no. I'm the only survivor. Well, that was so quickly. Oh, it was so funny that like all of them were like over there. Trampoline! I'm gonna be the highest person here. Gotta jump, okay? Oh, can't jump there to be. Woo! Oh, that girl did the big jump. How can they do the big jump? Wow, that's the biggest jump I've ever did! Go, press the button. Okay, I think I pressed the button. Run away from the tornado. Tornado! No! No! Aww. I hope I won't get into the box. Please, please. Yes! Tornado! Go! Get the button! Get the button! Get the button! Yes! I think I didn't press the button. It's okay. What's gonna be happening? What's gonna be happening? What's gonna be happening? Ah! Tornado! Run. This is a safe spot, right? Oh, I died. That was actually very fun. Ah! She has burger nails. Really? Really, Chasburgers? Oh, you know. Run away! I, gosh, it was so laggy, bro. It's like, this is the Plants vs. Zombies music. Who knows if it was like when they turned one of the, I don't know. No one survived. Well, how can they survive? Oh, they get faster every 5 seconds, I guess. I think I did that. Yeah. Time to spawn click. Okay, spawn click. I'm not doing it. Do it, do it, do it. So the overall was like 101, 111. So yes, we beat our score. Music? No way. Play. Of course, play. What is this? Where was the settings? What is this? here. That was a little. How can I even see? We are B. Okay, guys, I'm back, and so we are at the hide and seek here. I was just So where is River? So this is wonder. That's. Oh, I think that's him. Yeah, he's so far away. He's right here. He's right here. Huh. Ah! Run! That's River. Oh no! Ah! What? River didn't get me? Why? Cookatin won! Yay! I won! he actually found me, but he didn't get me. Yeah, I saw the whole thing. Wait. Oh no. Okay, you guys deal with that, and I'll just collect some coins. No, I'll collect the coins. Diamond! I'm gonna get the diamond. Time's out. What the result is? 87? Amazing score, I guess. Well, it is an amazing score. Okay. It's great. Where is it? Right here. Oh, the first one. They're right there. Me, right here. I jumped high. Woo! I'm so happy. Come on, guys. Come on. We'll be happy mates. Okay, press the button now. Okay, I pressed it. Yay. What? Side. Now, I have a feeling. Darn. We're still here. It's about to get down. This is a safe spot, so yeah, let's get the safe spot. I knew it. I actually knew it. Alright, we're here. I think this is the spawn, so we will not die here. Yeah, we will not die here. Click the button! Did you guys click the button? Nope. Don't click it then. Find the correct path. No! Darn! Well, I didn't know. Find the correct path. This one. I found the correct path! I never won so many rounds before. Huh? A brew? What happens if we go in it? What? It might go explode, so no thanks. Okay. Go get it. There's people. No! Has a sword. Who has a sword? Avoid them. No. Oh, she has a sword. I was close one. Okay, press the button. No. Okay, someone press the button. Tsunami coming! I'm fat. Not gonna lie. I did it! Did it! I jumped too. That's good. How about if I was in here, the ladder, you know? Would I still not die? Oh, okay, I made it. Why am I fat? Can you finish? No. We're not finished it, but fine. Let's go finish it. Nah. So go over here, go over there, go over here, go over here, go over here, go over there, and go over here. Yeah, no, that's a trap. Go over here, over there. Oh, I'm actually getting it. Yeah, later I'm gonna do that. And go here. OMG, no. I thought I was exploring. No, that's a trap. And go over here. Oh no, I'm lost. Okay, that's it. We'll go over here. I think we're not gonna be lost. Right here, right here, right here. Yep. Okay, so we leave here, we leave here. Go here, we go there, we go here, we go nothing. Okay, we go here, we go there. No, not Go here then. Go here, we go here, we go here, we go here, go here, here, and here, and no. Okay. Well, that's exactly for nothing. So, not over here, over there, over here, over there, over here, over yeah, it's a bad thing to do. Okay, we go here, we go here, we go here, we go there. Ah! Oh, okay, that. Okay, they already went there, so let's go over here. Right here. Oh gosh. Right here with here. Oh no. Hey, someone did it? Did someone? I hope so. I think we're just going in circles. Never mind. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Perfect. We're done. What? Oh, bomb. Push it out before. Go, bomb! Well, that was actually the first time that a bomb actually did it, but we weren't doing it. Okay, the Betty. Come on. Okay, go. Okay, I think the river right. Watch out. Oh, it's coming. Close. I hate those. I did it! I won it first time in forever. Wait, did the scares go? Huh? Baldi's Basics? Is that actually you, Baldi's Basics? What happened to Baldi's Basics? What happened to him? Baldi's Basics, are you okay? Huh. This is actually what? Baldi's Basics! I press the button. Okay, reach the base of this again. Let's see over here. There's nothing to see now. Alright, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and click the like button. And see. Wait, guys. I forgot my phone. See you guys in my next video. Bye.